How to add sticker to your video on InShot app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your video easily and fast. First thing, go to InShot. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go down here, click on the video option, and now you can upload a video from your gallery, or you can choose from your drafts like me. I already have this one right here. Now I'm just gonna click on this video and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. As you can see, all what you have to do is simple. Just click on sticker option down here and click again on sticker here, and now as you can see you have many options from here, and you can download more from here. Click on free download. Now choose any sticker you want, or emoji, or any of these. For example, let's try this one. As you can see, it's so easy to edit and fast. After you finish, click save, and yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.